Okay.
Hi! Let me make sure this is working. Okay, we're cool,
yes.
we're cool.
Hey.
Kayla, are you gonna say hello?
You.
Yeah, she's just weird. That's okay. That's what makes it us unique three, right?
Right.
What do we call ourselves?
The Unique Three.
Woo! Wrong.
Right.
Wrong. We're the Three Musketeers.
We're talking to the camera.
Right?
Right.
What are we?
I'm not listening.
1, 2, 3. We're the Three Musketeers. Oh, that was so not together. Okay, guys, let's get this straight.
Who are you, our mother?
The three.
Yeah, not. Ew. Get lost. 1, 2.
We're hogging the camera.
Quit hitting the camera, dumb butt.
hogging
I'm gonna
it.
move over there and sit by Kayla.
I bet I'm not even in the movie.
I know, she's not even in the movie.
I don't understand why everyone's so mean to me.
Probably because you deserve it.
They always make fun of my arm. They say it's like really long. Let's sing.
Okay, what are we singing?
I don't know. What are we singing?
You're my sunshine.
You're my sunshine.
Yeah. Because you two know y'all are, right? I mean, not. Okay. When you're ready.
What?
Lizard.
Huh?
What a lizard.
A lizard?
Her.
Yeah.
That is so not funny.
Okay.
I don't even know why I'm friends with them. Okay. Ready?
Let me start. A one, a two, a one, two. You're my sunshine, my only sunshine. You made me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. That was just an introduction.
I'm laughing.
You're my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. I'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. I didn't mean to tickle you. She took my
You two will never know how much you mean to me.
See, guys don't.
Stop touching me! Stop! I like my
This is
face.
what happens to Ruth if you
don't.
attempt to tickle
Don't
her.
tickle me. I'm not.
See,
I want to see how mean she is.
only girls can sing that song because guys have a where the sunshine isn't.
Yeah, they can't show that spot.
Sunshine,
We can't
yeah.
either. Where
Well,
the
we
sun
have
don't
sunshine.
shine.
Yeah, where the sun don't shine.
Kayla, you're good. All right, guys. Let's show them how it's done.
Okay.